Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab fish using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 pound of fresh crab meat and your favorite seasonings. Next, prepare your workspace by getting a large mixing bowl and a non-stick pan ready. This straightforward approach will help you create a delightful meal with minimal effort, perfect for any home cook looking for a quick and tasty dish. Now let's mix everything together. In your large bowl, gently combine 1 pound of fresh crab meat with 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Then, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a dash of Worcestershire sauce for a subtle tang. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg to help bind the mixture. Finally, season with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a generous sprinkle of Old Bay seasoning. With your mixture ready, it's time to form and cook. Gently shape the crab mixture into 8 uniform patties, each about 2 inches wide. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties in the hot pan and cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Your delicious crabfish is now ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, serve them immediately while they are still warm. You can garnish them with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a vibrant touch. A simple tartar sauce or a spicy aioli makes a wonderful accompaniment, enhancing the overall taste. This quick and easy meal is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.